Here at home, we're dealing with some rain today. We're off to a soggy start, but not clearing up just yet.
it's a bit of a dreary day, one of those days where you wish you could just stay inside and not have to deal with all that wet weather.
A nap.
Which later on we could do, but later on you can just go home and chill, relax. It's okay. You know what? We have needed the rain, and we were able to get some beneficial precipitation today. Just make sure you have your umbrellas with you. At least the rain is not as intense or as widespread right now as it was earlier this morning. What a mess for the commute, though. And right now, just cloudy view from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale. You know, not the best of beach days, but the sun is starting to break through the clouds as compared to earlier when it was really just dark and gloomy. And as we look at the radar, we'll notice a difference. Whereas earlier this morning we saw a lot of red all over this map, right now we're just seeing a little bit of green here and there. So some light showers around Lighthouse Point, Pompano Beach, near Parkland, and also some light showers moving towards Miami Lakes, everything moving in off the Atlantic, Miami Beach, getting ready for some shower activity, as well as right around Coral Gables and across the Upper Keys. The wind variable, mainly out of the east, 7-10 miles an hour. Temperature is comfortable, but it's muggy. 76 in Miami, 74 Fort Lauderdale, 77 in Kendall, low 80s. Though down through the Keys, well, we're seeing how cold it is around the rest of the U.S. in the single digits in the teens for the northern tier, widespread 30s and 40s from the northeast through the Midwest and through the central U.S., 50s and 60s in California, 50s and 40s in the Pacific Northwest, and dealing with a storm system that's bringing some wet and wintry weather there and through the Rockies. As you can see, it's relatively quiet for the central parts of the country. However, across our state, we're unsettled because we have an area of low pressure, plenty of tropical moisture. That's going to keep us with the chance for passing showers as we head into the afternoon. Highs struggle to reach the low 80s because of the clouds and the rain that we've seen. For boaters, winds east 10 to 50 knots, seas 2 to 4. A light chop on the bays tonight. Mostly cloudy, mild humid, low 70s along the coast, inland areas in the upper 60s. Taking you through hour by hour, the future radar showing that as we get into 5-6 p.m., there could be some more showers, and then overnight we could also see some rain. Tomorrow, waking up to some showers around 9 a.m. possibly, and then again into the afternoon. Could see some heavier downpours for the evening commute tomorrow because of that moisture sticking around. The first front that I just showed you, it is not going to clear, but then eventually we'll see the front clear as we head into the weekend, and that will push out the moisture, allow the dryer to bring us some pleasant sunshine by Sunday. But we just have to get through your Friday tomorrow, and then Saturday near record heat. Sunday waking up to the upper 60s, highs in the low 80s through Monday, more of the same.